What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Citywide.Kb, and I'm coming back with another POV. And today, I don't know if I'm gonna be getting active on the streets, on the back road, but shit, we're just gonna hop straight into it. I ain't gonna do no more jibber jab.
I can't ride up in no charge, got the wheel like Jimmy Johnson. I can't go like Paul Walker. VTEC engine, 3.2 ACURA TL, it's gon' hawk.
Gate, this motherfucker jumping, boy. Oh shit. There go 12. Oh fuck. They in hell.
That's tough.
But shit though, man, this might be a quick little POV. Sun's going down. I don't know how the camera gonna react while this sun trying to goddamn sit and shit. But and I also need to get the fuck home. So this can't be no more than 15, 20 odd minutes. But I mean, hey, we coming here for the nice little ride and nice little vibes, my guy. How's y'all day today? Y'all have y'all nice little day today? They good. I appreciate y'all for answering me down there in the comments. I appreciate that. For the ones who did, if you didn't, fuck you, nigga. That's why you was raised by fucking scoundrels, nigga. Yo, glad. No cap. Honestly though, man, I don't know. I've been trying to find me a nice new little rhythm for me to go and record. Honestly, now I done found a nice little way for me to bash record in a couple of new locations. Ew, it's around. Don't pay no attention to this right here. It's I know. It's okay. We gonna get some cat skins or something for it. Cat skins got endless art. Some we gonna cover this motherfucker up. Goddamn, nigga, you gonna go? I'm dead there about to pass your jacket. You got taking 5 of in a fucking day. Something didn't feel right when I did that little pull right there. God damn, boy. This line this fucking long? Shit, boy.
The next day.
I'm saying. Nigga ain't trying to stay in second, but fuck. Oh, peak time. Peak the time. That's a nice little time. Damn. Let me catch the drill. Fuck. trying to see how long he been recording, man. Man, that's some bullshit, though. I don't care. Let's see what this dude doing. Yeah, though, man, this motherfucker get up to speed pretty quickly, though, man. I don't know what to call it. If y'all don't got no J37 intake manifold and throttle body, go ahead and get you that. What the fuck are you doing? Stay in your fucking lane, bitch. Damn, broski. But yeah, though, man, seems like this just gonna be like some nice little highway pulls till I hit traffic. Then that's when I'm gonna cut the fucking camera off. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I'm supposed to be at home right now, but I'm just having so much fucking fun filming, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna say this video number 5 or 6 for today. I don't know. Probably gonna record again for tomorrow. I don't know, man. But yeah, trying to get on the new schedule though, new upload schedule. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, best believe your boy's uploading a video. But shit, every day, goddamn, throughout the week, Sunday to Saturday, my boy, expect a short. At least one short from your boy. Cause I ain't gonna lie. Seem like y'all like when I upload some shorts. But it's neither here, neither there. Crossover it is. I love this goddamn car, boy. I can't express to you enough of how much I love this car. This motherfucker, it's the real deal right here, man. You ain't gotta have no V8 to have some fucking fun. You ain't always gotta have no rear wheel drive car either to have no fucking fun. If you wanna drift, shit. I'll show y'all how y'all can drift on the video coming up too. I got a video in the vault that I should have been uploaded a while ago. It was from my sponsor, Drift Trades. They told me to shoot a video in the daytime, and I shot one in the daytime and nighttime. But I lost the one for the daytime, but I just now found it. So if y'all want that, just let a young nigga know, man. Just let a young nigga know. But other than that, it seemed like I hit traffic. If things don't fucking clear up in the next couple of goddamn minutes or seconds, hey, you finna see a young nigga get on down and get on off in here, boy. See, yep. Probably about to get on down and get on off here, boy. I don't even know what this exit leads to either. Ski butthole, nigga. If you know, you know. You know, Bob. I'll give y'all a couple of more minutes, man. I don't know where I'm at in the video, how long of footage I got, so we just gonna keep it going. We got this slow ass Camaro right here, man. Man hitting on the brakes. And it's a whole 50 yards in front of that nigga, man. I wanted it so bad. But I'ma be safe. I'ma be safe. this goddamn car. Let me slow down before I get my black ass taken the fuck to jail, boy. God damn, I love this car. It's probably gonna be the route right here, my boy. I ain't gonna hold you. Bro, why you going so slow? I just need to get off on the exit, my boy. See what I mean? This bitch got median torque because of this spacer. This goddamn thick ass inch and a half ass spacer. This was doing that, but
If y'all did like that video, go ahead, thumbs it up, subscribe, turn on post notifications on. And I'ma catch y'all when I catch y'all.
Bye, have a great time.
Hey, niggas ain't fucking with me and they know. Black out the wood tryna load up and blow. I'm the little nigga who pushing them low. Not in my pocket, a Glock on the road. Pull my eyes, go visit the bank.